For All Learners Days, students will need to access their All Learner Day journal. This interactive journal is in the app Pages. When students open the app Pages, they should see their recent documents. The document they are looking for is the All Learner Day journal. Have them select the correct document, and it should open. They may have to hit edit at the top of their screen. The journal goes through directions and activities. They may have the complete journal, or they may just have day 1 journal. The journal goes through a welcome page, how to use the app Pages. It may include an overview of all 5 days, and then it goes into day 1. The try it part is what students have been practicing in class. For day 1, students have been practicing by tapping the plus sign, recording audio, a drawing, and adding pictures with the camera. They will use these skills to complete their activities at home. The Apply It at Home pages are the activities. Day 1, this activity includes drawing a sketch, recording an audio, and taking photos to practice photo angles. Students complete the activities, and it automatically saves in their journal. They can then select documents at the top and return to their home screen. Thank you.